What's going on, everyone? Sebastian here. Today I'm going to show you how the smallest tweak to your Amazon title can actually make the difference and will allow you to charge 20% at least more for your product. And the reason why I can say that is because I recently did a video right here that you can check out where I go over how to target premium buyers for your Amazon FBA products. Now, in addition to everything I went over in that video, this small little hack, if you will allow you to specifically laser focus and target your premium buyers on Amazon. So that way your Amazon PPC campaigns are more profitable and you're able to get away with charging a much higher price point just by making this small tweak. And of course, if this is your very first time watching my video, please subscribe to my channel and turn on your notification bell so that way you never miss an awesome training like this. And join my private Facebook group. I will have a link below in the description for you. And without further ado, let's get into the training now. Amazon sellers are always asking me, what's just one juicy tip that you would give to a newer Amazon seller? So if you're just a beginner selling on Amazon, this one tip will help you improve your business without very much work other than the actual implementation of this strategy. So if you're a beginner, the easiest way to optimize your Amazon listing would be to change your title. Now, in your title, it's very important that you have a very specific customer in mind. So for example, if you're selling charcoal teeth powder, however, your listing just says charcoal teeth whitener, whitener could imply maybe mouthwash, strips, it can imply toothpaste, it can imply toothbrush. So you can really see how by adding your product and targeting your avatar by laser focusing your title will allow you to sell through your inventory much faster and at a higher price point. And again, just tweaking your title and tweaking your description to have more of the customer you're targeting instead of a general title and a very general description, you're going to do fairly well. And again, this doesn't just apply to sellers who are struggling selling inventory. This can apply to all sellers, because even if you're a seasoned seller, you can get away with selling at a higher price point just by having your very specific product targeting a very specific avatar in your title. And if you're struggling with sales velocity, then by doing these changes to your title and your description, that will allow you to learn from this experience, and on your next batch of inventory, you can go ahead and improve your product so that way you're not having to compete on price. And here's why doing it this way has many advantages. So here's another example. If you're selling, let's say, scissors, okay, and in this scissor category, you do not, actually, let me backtrack a little bit. If you're selling scissors, and very specifically, if you're selling fabric scissors, right, they're a lot bigger and therefore women or men who like to do arts and crafts, but in your images and in your listing title, you don't have your avatar, let's say, perfect for arts and crafts at the end of your title, you're going to really struggle with your competition, because you're just basically going to have scissors without the thing the product is for. Okay, I hope that's making sense. By adding the thing or the utility that your product's used for, you can target your premium buyers, but it needs to be in your title, because apart from the images, people are also going to read the title. And if your avatar are men or women who love to do arts and crafts, so they're getting fabric scissors, and you say in your title, perfect for arts and crafts, boom, you've just aligned your product with the customer avatar, and that small tweak will make the difference between, fabric scissors and their size with fabric scissors the size and what the specific utility of your product is used for. And again, sellers overlook these very small tweaks in their business because it's very easy to get in the whole, it's very easy to create a listing with just pure SEO in mind. And it's understandable because when you're doing SEO work, you're wanting to include in your description and in your bullet points and in your title, you know, keywords with high volume. And the reason you're doing that is because you want the maximum amount of sales possible. There's nothing wrong with that, but do not forget you're selling to human beings. And though SEO is good for algorithms, what's going to really make the difference in premium priced products and what's going to make the difference to making sure your listing is fully optimized is by having good copy in your listing. And it doesn't even have to be extremely good copy, but if you can just have the utility targeting your ideal customer, you're going to get away with much larger margins just from that small tweak you're making. Now, if you want to learn Amazon listing optimization secrets, go ahead and check out this next video coming up. I actually reverse engineer 8-figure best-selling listings, and you can use the hidden DNA, the gems that make up these listings to improve your business. I break down the title, the bullet point description. I highlight everything neatly so that way you are empowered as an Amazon seller and you're not randomly going through the creation of your listing. You're actually using your top selling competitors as a sort of framework you'd want to model, and in this coming up video I show you exactly how to do that. And again, if this is your very first time watching one of my YouTube videos, consider subscribing to my channel and joining my private Facebook group so that way you never miss an Amazon FBA training in the future. Well, as always guys, have an awesome day and I'll see you on the next video.